So next is controllability and observability. So in controllability, all the state variable are input dependent. It means applying the appropriate input we can obtain the desired output, whereas in observability for the system to be observable, the output should be dependent on all the state variables. So you can find the difference between controllability and observability of the system. So in controllability, right here, in controllability, all state variable are dependent on input. Okay, and in observability, output should be dependent on all the state variable. Okay, so we can tell this as by applying appropriate input, we can obtain desired output. Okay, so any variation in the state variable can reflect in the output. So in observability, any variation in the state variable can be reflected in the output, because output of the system is dependent on state variable. So how to find controllability and observability? Okay. So to tell our system is controllable, QC should be equal to matrix B is to matrix AB is to a to the power 2b till a to the power n minus 1 b. If mod of QC is not equal to 0, we can tell that our system is controllable, and mod of QC is equal to 0, we can tell our system is not controllable. Similarly, to find observability of the system, this should be transpose of matrix C is to transpose of matrix A and C, transpose of matrix A square into C till, let me shift this one, okay, transpose of matrix A to the power n minus 1 transpose of matrix C. Okay. So here A is the system matrix and n is the number of state variable. So if Q0 is not equal to 0, we can tell our system is observable, and if Q0 is equal to 0, we can tell our system is not observable. Here A is the system matrix and n is the number of state variable. Now let's take a question and we will solve this question through MATLAB also. So here a state variable model is given. This is matrix A, this is matrix B, and this is C, and there is no D matrix. Okay, so you can consider D as 0. We don't need D to find the controllable and observable of the system. Now first, to find controllability of the system, so what is QC? That is B is to AB, because your matrix is 2 into 2, right? A matrix is 2 into 2. So, or we can tell the state variable are, there are 2 state variable. So n is equal to 2. So the power of A should be equal to 1. Now first we will find matrix AB. So what is A? That is 1 1 minus 2 1. What is matrix B? That is 0 1. So what will be A into B? So this should be 0 into 1. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. Okay, I guess this is minus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1, so this will be minus 1. Now if we got AB, so we need to find QC, right? So QC, matrix QC will be equal to B. So what is B? That is 0 1, and A is A into B is 1 minus 1. So if we take mod of QC, we will get minus 1, right? 0 into 1 is 0, minus 1 into 1, so minus 1. This is not equal to 0, so we can tell our system is controllable. Okay, so in matrix or in MATLAB, we use rank of this. If rank of QC is equal to rank of A, then we can tell our matrix is, our system is controllable. Okay, we will see this in MATLAB, how to find controllability and observability in the MATLAB. Now next is to find we need to check our system is observable or not. So to find observability, Q naught is equal to transpose of C is to transpose of A into transpose of C. So first we will find transpose of A into transpose of C, that is equal to, so what will be the transpose of A? 1 1 minus 2 1. Okay, so this will be 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. So what is C? 1 0, right? So write it as 1 0. Just change the row and column. Okay, you will find the transpose of the matrix. Now multiply these two equation, these two matrix, you will get 1 and 1. So this is A transpose C transpose. Now what is Q naught? Q naught will be equal to C is 1 0, transpose of C is 1 0, and this will be 1 1. So mod of Q naught is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0, right? So we can tell our system is observable. Now let's solve this same question in MATLAB. Now we are going to perform the same question on MATLAB. So first we will write all the matrix. So A was 1 1 and the second row was minus 2 and minus 1, right? Now this is our A. then b is equal to 0 and 1, right? Then c we have 1 0, right? And there is no d. So we need to find the controllability and observability of the system. So first, to find controllability of the system, we use term CTRB. Okay, so we use matrix A and B to find controllability, right? So A comma B. Now let's put here QC is equal to CTRB. Okay, in bracket we need to put A comma B. So if rank of QC, what are the method to find controllability? You can tell rank of QC or QO, observability. Okay, so rank of controllability and observability is equal, should be equal to n. If it is not equal to n, we can tell our system is not controllable, or we can tell rank of QC is equal to rank of A, because rank of A is n. Okay, so QC is equal to CTRB A comma B. Now I'll put here condition. If rank of QC is equal to rank of A, then we can tell our system is controllable. So if rank of QC is equal to rank of A. Okay, so if this condition is true, then we need to display our system is controllable. Okay, and if this statement is false, if rank of QC is not equal to rank of A, then we can tell our system is uncontrollable. Okay, so else display system is uncontrollable. Okay, so let me end this loop and see, here is tell the system is controllable. Okay, now how to find system is observable or not? So if QC is equal to, or sorry, QO. Okay, I put here QO. So this to find observability of the system, we use function OBSV. Okay, and here we use A comma, which and all matrix we use for to find the observability of the system? A and C, right? So A comma C. Okay, so if rank of Q naught is equal to rank of A, then we can tell our system is observable. If it is not, we can tell our system is not observable. Okay, so let me put the same condition. Yeah, so here I use QO. Okay, so if QO is equal to A, we can tell display system is observable. Okay, else what we can tell? System is not observable, right? Okay, so in this program and see, system is observable, and the same result we got in while solving this question, right? And MATLAB also, if rank of A is not equal to rank of B, obviously it will give you system is uncontrollable or system is not observable. Okay, so this is how we can find observability and controllability of the system.